Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I'll try to explain the introduction of SQL in SQLite. I am using HR sample database. The following database diagram is illustrating the HR sample database. It contains 7 variables. It's jobs, employees, dependents, departments, regions, countries, and location. We will open the command prompt by clicking Windows plus R and then enter. It's look like this. We write CMD and then click enter. We click enter and the display looks like this. After that, in this command prompt, we will import the SQLite tree by writing cd SQLite SQLite3.x. If the display is transient in memory database, it means it's ready to use the SQLite tree, and then we will write open the file name because I name it tugas.db, and for SQLite the format file is in database. And if we need to check the file is imported successfully and we want to see the tables, we will write tables, and then the 7 variables will pop up: countries, departments, dependent, employees, jobs, location, and regions. We'll go to the first syntax. The first one is the minimum that we have to write is select and from. I want to choose countries table, but you guys can choose any of these 7 variables that you want. The display is looking like this. It's not inconvenient and not easy to understand, so we can see it in column mode. We'll write dot mod column. Dot mod column. Then enter. Nothing happened. That's right. And then we will pass the select from countries. It looks better, and in column, the country is Argentina until Zimbabwe. And then we will choose order by. Order by is to order by the region ID. We will order the number 1, 2, and until 3. Then we will pass. By ascending, we can write descending, DESC, if we want to order it from the biggest number, or it means reverse from the ascending word. And then we click enter, and then the number is 1, 2, and 3. After that, we will use this thing. This thing is used to fill the unique rows in the data or the table. We want to see the distinct from the employee tables and the column salary and order by salary. See, there is only one. There is different than each other, and as we say, it's unique. After that, we will use the syntax where. Where is for filtering rows with multiple condition or logic statement. In here, I will use where the minimum salary is $9,000. So the job titles that has minimum salary $10,000 is president, administration vice presidents, and sales manager. From the $15,000 until $20,000. And then we will use limit. Limit is to limit the number of rows displayed. We want to see employees row. We limit only 10 rows. Okay, from 100 to 109. After that, between, it's used to see a value is within a certain value range. We want to see the maximum salary is between $16,000 and $30,000. The job title is accounting manager, administration vice president, finance manager, and sales manager. The maximum salary is from $16,000 until the biggest one is $30,000. And the syntax in. The syntax in is used to see or test if a value match in the list. Okay, we will see. Okay, so the value that match in the list is from the last name is Hartstein, Raffles, and partners. The ID is 101, 101, and 114, 146. After that, we have is null. It's used to see or test a null value. We will see if there is any null value in the phone number. If they are didn't fill their phone number, we will see. Okay. The phone number that the is null, which means is the person that is fill out their phone number is Rand, Johnson, Livingston, partners, Russell, and Taylor. So after that we will use the syntax group by. It's used to group the same values into summary. This command is usually used with aggregate function. Okay, the first one, you want to see the count. Count job ID from job group by job title. Okay. Job title is this. We count by job ID and we group by the job title. After that is syntax having. Having is used to exclude the data after the grouping. You can see the having region ID is same equal to 2 is Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Mexico, and United States of America. And then we will move to aggregate function, which contains count, sum, average, max, and min. First one, we will count the counting rows and renaming it. We will count from location and rename it as a country count. Okay, the number of country count is 7. After that, we will calculating the average salary. We will calculating the average. And we will name it as rata-rata gaji. The average is $8,060. After that, we will find the minimum value for the salary. For salary, and we will rename it as minimum gaji. The minimum salary is $2,500. And the last one is we will sum the salary and rename it as the total salary from the employees. Okay, so the total salary is $322,400 Okay, that's all from me. I hope it's beneficial for me and for others maybe. I'm still learning anyway. If there's any critique and comment, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.